Yes, students, we will continue with the partner's capital account. Write the format. You know it very well. First step is by balance brought down. Which is the balance you're going to bring down? Yes, e amount ideyalla copy ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿ. Okay, so I'm writing here 46,000, 30,000 and 20,000. Copy ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀರಿ, no problem. Next is revaluation account. By revaluation account, amount ಯಾವುದು ಇದೇ amount copy ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀರಿ. It 3 amounts, you have to just copy it and write, students. So it is very easy, these problems are. Okay, and 3,000. Now next you have to see whether there is general reserve of profit and loss. General reserve with the 12,000, you will have to give it. So by general reserve, amount ಏನಿದೆ 12,000, you will give it in the ಯಾವ ratio? Yes, 3:2:1 ratio ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. How to give? Yes, you know it, very easy it is, but just for the people, those who find it difficult, I will just solve it and show. Okay, how it is? 12,000 ಇದೆ, reserve into ratio ಏನಿದೆ 3:2:1, so 3/3 4 5 6. Yes, ಇದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಪಂಕಜ್ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 12,000 into 3/6 ಮಾಡಿ, you will get 6,000. I'm writing it here. Okay, ಈಗ ನರೇಶ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸಿ ಅಗೇನ್ ಈ 12,000 into ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 2/6. when you do, you will get, yes, you will get 4,000. so ಇದೇ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. you don't have to do this, okay? ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, just to understand, make you all understand. now for Saurabh, how you will give? yes, same 12,000 into 1/6. 1 ಏಕೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ ratio. it will give you 2,000. so I'm writing here 2,000. okay, yes. Now what we are telling about goodwill? Goodwill of the firm is valued and the same has to be written off. Whenever the word written off andre, be very happy because the treatment is easy. Written off anta idre by goodwill to goodwill, both the side ಬರ್ತದೆ. I will repeat it once again. Word written off anta ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ, ಈ word that is WITTENOFF anta ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ, you have to write by goodwill to goodwill. yes, so amount will be how much? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ. goodwill the amount ಏನಂತೆ 42,000. you have to give it in the old ratio for all the three partners here, 3:2:1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ. okay, and here goodwill amount ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 42,000, you have to give it in the new ratio. I will tell what it is. yes, okay, first ಇದನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋಣವಾ? yes, goodwill 42,000 into 3:2:1. that also I will just show. it is easy, but people those who find it difficult, I will just do and show. first for ಪಂಕಜ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ? amount ಏನಿದೆ? 42,000. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. 42,000 into 3 divided by 3 4 5 6 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get, yes, 21,000. now for Naresh same 42,000 into 2 divided by 6 ಮಾಡಿ. how much you will get? yes, 14,000. multiply ಮಾಡಿ, use your calculator please. next goodwill for Saurabh, same 42,000 into 1/6 ಮಾಡಿ, you will get 7,000. Dear students, okay, this much you got. now you will give 2 goodwill, but this side you will give it only to the continuing partners. ratio is new profit sharing ratio is 5:1. 5:1 ಇದೆ. so here write here 5:1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ for Naresh it is not there because he is retiring. amount how will you give? yes, it is simple. I will do and show for the people those who find it difficult. that is for Pankaj it is 42,000 into 5:1 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ratio, so 5 divided by 6. when you multiply, you will get here Pankajಗೆ 35,000. Nareshigilla. next for Saurabh it will get 42,000 into 1 divided by 6 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get, yes, you will get here 7,000. okay, yes. now next what they are telling here, 26,000 from Naresh capital to be transferred to his loan account and the balance to be paid through bank if necessary. Necessary loan may be obtained from the bank. Okay. Yes. So 26,000 to Naresh account, capital account, transfer to his loan account ante 26,000. Okay, so this one entry we will give here. To Naresh loan account, bracket alli bekadre transfer anta bariri. Naresh ge ante. How much it is amount is 26,000. Just e amount loan ge transfer ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So Naresh loan account. That is 26,000 we are giving. Okay. Yes. Further what it says, that's it. Necessary loan may be obtained from the bank. Okay. Yes. Yeah. So next we are going to balance it. Okay. So now balancing it, that is Pankaj, we were going to add. Yes, I'm sorry for the disturbance. We are going to add now 46 plus 9,000 plus 6,000. Yes, plus 6,000 plus 21,000 will give you total is 82,000. Okay. Here also it will come 82,000. Yes. So 82,000 minus 35,000 will give you, yes, 47,000. Correct? Now Naresh, add this all. Then add madidre you will get here 54,000. 54,000, right here also 54,000. 54,000 minus 26,000 will give you 28,000 that you are going to transfer it to the bank, because they have told you all. See, if necessary, loan may be obtained from the bank. Yes, so to bank. Next, Saurabhige here add madidre you will get 96,000. 96,000. 96,000 minus 7,000 you will get, yes, 25,000. Isn't it? Okay, so I hope it is very simple problem. Goodwill written off anta kottidre, buy goodwill to goodwill. Old ratio alli, that is new ratio alli kodi. Ratio matra different. Okay, remaining all is the same. Now we'll fast write the new partner's capital account. I'm sorry, balance sheet will write. To write the balance sheet, see here, general reserve we are not writing. Creditors, bills payable, outstanding salary, provision for legal charge. We'll just copy it and write as it is. So 15,000, 12,000, 2,200. Provision for legal charge, students, will become 7,200. Why? Because it was how much? 6,000, isn't it? So I'm writing here, if you want, if you can see, 6,000 plus idu add agbeku, provision for legal charge. So 1,200 will give you 7,200. Now capitals, please copy it from this. Pankajige this much. See here, 47,000. Saurabh, it is 25,000. Naresh loan, it is 26,000. Bank loan, it is 20,400. How? Okay. That is 28,000 was there already. 28,000 minus 7,600. Yeah. Yeah. Now next is debtors. We are writing assets 6,000 less PDD is 300. What we have calculate madidvi alla, that is 5,700. Illi now calculate madidaga e PDD. Okay. Yes. Stock 9,000 less depreciation 900 will give you 900 e depreciation will give you 81,000. Yes. Next, furniture 41,000 Add appreciation. Furniture with the appreciation is this much. 4,000. Will give you 45,000. Premises 80,000. See the question. Add premises again. Add y credit side ide 16,000. That will give you 96,000. Total you do. It is a homework for you. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Okay. See, I will just tell your bank loan how it came. See, students, bank, how much it is there here? 7,600. Okay, this is loan they have told in the question. See, if necessary, can obtain a loan from bank. Loan, it will always come here, liability. So now 28,000 L in the E amount. Okay, E 28,000 minus 7,600. Okay, yes. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ದುಡ್ಡಿತ್ತು, ಆ ದುಡ್ಡಿಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಬೋತ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ 1,54,800. And I have taken here 300. Only this amount we have to take, what you have calculated always. Yes, thank you.